Good morning, folks. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We have here a Quantum Edge HD power chair. This power chair has a weight capability of 450 pounds. Good morning, folks. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We have here a Quantum Edge HD. This is a heavy-duty power chair. It has a weight capability of 450 pounds. It has a large 21 by 21 seats, so it's a heavy-duty power chair. If you would look at the seat on the chair, you can see the size of the seat, 21 by 21 deep. This is a captain seat. That means the back can be adjusted back and forth to it. So this is as far back as it'll go. This would be driving position. It does have a safety belt. The arms flip up. The joystick, that's just needs a little bit of grease on the arm. The joystick can be put on the left if you're left-handed. The foot plate does flip up if you need to exit the chair right this way. The batteries come out from the front. There's two levers on each side. You squeeze them, the whole front come out, all this. And there's two 75 amp batteries in here, which will give you up to 16 miles on a battery charge. That's assuming you're on flat surface and not going too fast. But they do have a lot of great distance on these power chair. So if you look at the side of the power chair, you can see it's a mid-wheel drive. That means your drive wheel is going to be in the middle of the front and back. Maybe not exactly, but it's called a mid-wheel drive, okay? You're going to have a wheel on the ground in the back, and a back wheel on the ground in the back also. Will give you that stability, that nice zero turn. These tires are 14 inches solid tires. They're not going to mark your floors. The motors on this chair are heavy-duty motors, okay? And there's one for each wheel. This motor is connected directly to the hub right here, okay? If you need to push this chair, let's just say you've had this chair for several years, but you have an issue with it, all you have to do is turn the power off, because these are electric motors. Power off, push the lever down, and now you're in neutral. You got to do both motors, and then you can go, okay? And when you're done, put it back in gear, then you can turn your power back on. The suspension of this chair is heavy duty. There's a shock right here for each fork. This is the fork. There's a shock all the way around, so there's 4 shocks on this chair. You also have 4 anchor points right here. This is where you secure your chair if you need to transport it. Also, the seat right now is low on this chair. It sits at 20 inches from the ground to here. It's 20, it's pretty low for a chair of this size. But this seat can be raised up 3-4 inches. It sits on 4 poles, and we can adjust the poles. So if you need a seat at 21, 22, 23, possibly 24 inches, we can raise it with no problem at all. This is your zero turn radius. As you can see, it turns on its own length. The back of the chair, you can see the independent suspension here. See that? Okay, you have a pouch here, an adjustable headrest. When you charge the batteries in this chair, you'll use the charger that comes with your chair. This may not be it, but it's close enough. You just plug it right below the joystick. And as soon as the light on your charger goes to green or turns off, the batteries are fully full, the charger will stop charging. So let's recap what we have here. We have a heavy-duty power chair, Quantum Edge HD power chair. I think it was used less than 6 months of usage, less than 6 months. That's why it still looks almost new. It has a 450 weight capability, 450 pound weight capability. So it's a very powerful chair. Suspension all the way around, captain seat, flip up arms, safety belt. Just a great power chair if you need to have a large heavy-duty power chair. So this is the Quantum Edge HD. It has a 450 pound weight capability. Top speed is about 4.5 miles an hour. So it's not the fastest chair in the world. It's made for, not speed, but it's made for torque. So that's why it has a high. So again, this chair will go in the grass. So if you're looking for a nice power chair, This one has the 21 by 21 seat. The seat is at 20 inches right now, so for me it would be a little too low because my leg, there's room under my leg, so I would have that seat raised up 3 inches. But if you're looking for a nice chair, we can raise the seat. Remember, the outside is about 26.5 inches, heavy duty motors, just a basic power chair with a captain seat, but it does have a 450 weight capability with no problem. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.